Hello dear children. Last video for a triangle, I already explained you the what is congruence of triangles, what are the criteria of the congruence. Okay. Now I am just now in this video just I am going to explain you some properties of triangles. Okay, and one two examples. Okay. So properties of triangles. Suppose in the isosceles triangles. You know what is the definition of isosceles triangles? If two sides are equal, then this triangle is called isosceles triangle. Okay, so your theorem 7.2, angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangles are equal. So isosceles triangles means two sides equal. Okay, you have to prove if two sides are equal, then here angles opposite the sides are equal. Okay, so given ABC is an isosceles triangle. AB is your AC. Given AB is your AC. Now construction. Construct or draw and bisector of draw AD is the bisector of angle A. Okay, AD, this is your D. AD is the bisector of angle A, you have to construct. Okay, then what to prove? Angle B is your angle C. Okay. In triangle, in this triangle, you have to prove angle B is your angle C. So, in triangle, first you can prove the congruency ABD and ACD, then you can prove the angle B is your angle C. So, in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, your AB is your AC, given angle BAD is equal to CAD by construction. Okay, then AD is your common. AD is your common. So triangle ABD congruence to triangle ACD by SAS congruence condition. Angle B is equal to angle C by CPCT. CPCT means congruence parts of corresponding parts of congruence triangle. Okay, so your AB is your AC, angle BAD is your angle CAD, then AD is your common. So this true triangle ABD is your congruence to ACD. So by CPCT angle B is your angle C. This is one theorem 7.2, angles opposite to equals just is vice versa is just 7.3. क्या है वो? Angles are equal, opposite sides equal, angles of opposite sides of a triangle are equal. Okay, you also prove this the theorem, your 7.3 theorem, angle B given C. Suppose ABC is ABC given, angle B is your angle C given. Okay, you have to prove AB is your AC. Okay, just similarly like 7.2, you have to prove 7.3, you need a construction AD, these two angles equal, this is also given equal, so you have to prove ABD, ACD by a triangle ABD congruence to triangle ACD by ASA congruence, angle, side, angle. By ASA congruence condition you have to prove, then by by CPCT. Okay, this is your 7.3. You just do properly like that. Clear? This is two theorems. Okay, then one example also we have to explain. One example from your book. Your example 4 here in your book. If ABC is the bisector of AD of triangle A is perpendicular to side BC, show that AB is your AC. Here given in triangle the bisector AD of angle A is perpendicular to side BC. Okay, show that AB is equal to AC. Here given AD is the bisector of angle A and this is perpendicular and you have to prove AB is your AC. Very simple. So how do you do? Suppose in triangle we congruence, you have to prove the congruence ABD and ACD. How do you prove a congruence? Triangle ABD congruence triangle. Okay, let's prove. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD, your BAD equal CAD given. ADB is equal to ADC equal to 90 degree also given. Then AD is common. So ABD triangle congruence to triangle ACD by ASA congruence conditions. Clear? Angle, side, both the triangles are congruent. Then by CPCT, AB is your AC. By CPCT, prove. Okay? Clear? Now one more example. Your example 7. This is very important example. So your example 7. Your question is, AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. P and Q are 2 points of either sides of the line segment. Okay, opposite sides of AB. So each of them is equidistant. That means you have to join a P and Q. They are equidistant. Okay, AB shows that the line PQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB. PQ is the perpendicular. You have to prove this is your 90 degree. Okay, you have to prove. So AB is the line segment. P and Q are the two points in opposite sides of the line segment AB. You join AP, they are equidistant. This is given. That means AP is your BP and AQ is your BQ. You have to prove perpendicular bisector. PQ is the perpendicular bisector. So what is you prove? हमको क्या prove करना है? Your suppose this is your D. So AD is equal to BD and ADP angle is equal to BDP angle is equal to 90 degree. We have to prove. So first you prove APQ and BPQ triangle. Okay, congruence. In triangle APQ and triangle BPQ. These two triangles you have to prove congruence prove karo by S congruence condition because AP is your BP, AQ is your PQ and the common. Your AP is your BP, AQ is your PQ, PQ is common. This is given. So triangle APQ congruence to triangle BPQ by SSS congruence condition. These two triangles congruence. So APQ angle is equal to BPQ angle by CPCT. These two angles are equal. These two angles by CPCT you have to prove like this. These two angles. Now you prove these two triangles. Okay, these two triangles you have to prove. In triangle APD and triangle BPD, your AP is your BP given, PD is common, APD angle is equal to BPD angle by CPCT earlier proved. Okay, so triangle APD congruence to triangle BPD. These two triangles congruence APD and BPD. So AD is equal to BD by CPCT. One proof, already one proof. This one proof. Okay. Now and ADP is equal to BDP by CPCT. Now you have to prove these two angles are 90 degree. Okay, so ADP plus BDP is your 180 degree by linear pair. Okay, now you get both the angles are equal. That's why ADP plus ADP is equal to 180 degree. 2 times of ADP is here 180 degree. So ADP is here 90 degree. Clear? So if ADP is your 90 degree, that means ADP is equal to BDP, also 90 degree. True. Clear? So now second one also prove. So this is your example 7 of your book. This is very important. You just follow this one and practice it. This is all about chapter 7.